Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. And to start off, we will need to power off the phone, hold the power key and select power off. Now wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're gonna hold volume up, power key and home button. So once more, volume up, power key and home button. Press them all together. And once you see the Galaxy Grand 2, you can let go. And right now we're in Android recovery. So from here you want to use volume up and down to navigate. So volume down to go down and up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with the power key, like so. You'll get a little message right here, formatting cache wipe complete. So once you see that, as a last entry, you can tap on power key because reboot system now will be automatically selected and the device will power back on into the normal Android. And as you can see, the process has been finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.